back at it once again. Welcome back to the Tricky Brickies. I've had my haircut. Doesn't look much, does it? Right, today's job, I've got to block up these 4 vents. Gonna have to get the cutter out, cut these vents out, and then re-block them in. They're concrete blocks, 6 per panel, so 24 blocks. This is what it looks like from the inside. It's just some store they need it blocking up, so I'm just checking in here. There's no electrics or anything around here because I'm going to get that cutter through here. Check this is all right, get these cut out, and then I can get down to wholesalers, go and buy some blocks and some sand to get these things blocked up. So it was out with a petrol saw, cutting around the outside of these, cutting any studs that are holding them in, and getting these removed as quickly and as cleanly as possible. Then to the inside to remove a little bit of timber that was holding them in and give them a whack out with a hammer. So now I'm at Travis Perkins, come to get me blocks and me sand. But I can't get me sand. They've got no building sand left. Gutted. That's one load of materials, now to go and get the rest. So there is everything I should need now for this job. I've got some Feb, 3 bags of building sand, although I had to get some from Juicen's because I couldn't get them out of Travis. I only had 1 there. I've got some nails here which I'm going to use as wall ties. I'm going to bang them into here and into here, and that'll tie the wall in. I've got a handsaw there as well just to cut back any of this crap that's around here, because I think they want some of this stuff cut off of the side of around here. So we'll get the block work sorted and we'll have a little trim up. So it was out with my faithful whisk and then on to knocking up a gauge of muck. I threw in a 1.5 bags of sand and about 1/4 of dust with some water and some Feb, knocked it all together and gave me a lovely mix just right for this job. Right, it's time to start laying then. Get some muck on here. Start with a 1/2. Match that. There we go. Second block coming on. In she goes. Nice. Just a little check of my trowel there for gauge. On with a perp. Right, just got to trim this block down a little bit. Okay, that should fit in there now. There we go. Yeah, just turn down very slightly, but not enough to take off the wall again. Just like a mil going down. So I'll get that right on the next course. Now I want to put these big nails in to tie this into the wall, into these bed joints. Get them in there nice. That'll hold that wall in there then. That'll hold it together nicely. And it's on with the muck again. And on with the block. Nice. Right, so I've got 2 of them blocked up. I've got 2 to go. Started peeing down. Time for a bit of food. Nothing too exotic, boys and girls, just a cheese and bean slice to get me through the day. So there we have it, they're all blocked up. Lovely. Didn't take too long, just a couple of hours. So they just want me to cut back some of this bush and stuff around this, round off the side of this thing. So I'm going to hack some of this off for them. I don't know how much they want me to get off of there, but I'll get the majority of it off. And then a big tidy up, and then this one will be done. It's a bit better around there now. They can access all the way around that tank. I've just got a bit more to get around that other side of there, but yeah, that's a lot better around there now. There we go, nice and clear around there now. Absolutely spot on, they can't fault me for that. Lovely. Bosh, sorted. So there we have it, not a bad little job. All clear around there, all done, all cut back nicely. Yeah, that'll do it. Happy days, all clean and down here. Looks like that's tricky done, ladies and gentlemen. Oioioi. If you enjoyed that episode, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, don't forget to hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. But until then, peace out and pow. Bang! I've hit 120,000 miles in the murk. Come on!